I know what you've done to get to this point, just to get to the end point. I don't take it lightly.
Donuts, and we all know I can't eat sugar, so. I came out of orthodontics.
How'd you like it?
Alright, it was so interesting. I loved it. I just came out of the different career paths of general dentistry session.
Cool, how'd you like it?
I liked it a lot. The doctor that was talking to us gave us many options of the different ways we could experience general dentistry.
That you can do certain things, but then you try and you actually are much better at them than you might think that you are.
I'm excited just to learn more